Well, hello, Disney Connections and fellow Disney freaks. We've got a little Bibbidi Bobbidi. Right, it's been a while.
Yeah. I feel like this one is different than the other Halloween one, but maybe not. Look at how cute this is. Take the plastic off.
Okay, let's check this out. Oh, scratch the box. Oops.
Okay, this box is super cute. I feel like it's different than the last one, but maybe not. It's probably not, but look how cute. And get the candy corn apple with the candy corn in it because that's my favorite. It's so cute. Makes me want to go to Disney World.
Again.
Because that candy corn cookie that we just had last week in Walt Disney World from the confectionery is so good.
It was totally delicious. Go check us out on Instagram, Disney Connections. Watch for future videos coming up. Or maybe they're already posted. I don't even know at this point. So just keep an eye on the channel and you'll see some of the treats that we had in Disney World and how much fun and adventures and
how much fun adventures we had. We had lots of fun and adventure.
Exactly. So
let's open her up.
You know what? Before I open it up, give us a like, subscribe down there if you're just loving content from our channel, or even if you just like it, or maybe you're just thinking, hey, I want the Timothy Mouse Loungefly for our 500 giveaway, which should be anytime now. Okay, let's go ahead and open up this box.
I'm so excited. What?
It's been a while.
Gosh, it's been a while.
All right. Oh, look at that. We got a new card.
This says, boo. How cute is that? Little boo. It says it was curated with love by Amanda.
Oh, thank you, Amanda.
And we will get back to this after we look in the box.
Let's not forget to get back to that.
I know, sometimes I forget.
Sometimes we forget. Look at this green paper, though.
I've never had green paper.
I know. I'm like super excited about the green paper.
Okay, let's open it.
Okay. All right, let's see. Let's not ruin the sticker. We don't have enough of those.
Stars.
Let's try
Lots of stars.
Keep the confetti contained. All right.
All right. Lots of foozles.
Lots of foozles. Oh, look at this.
Okay. Well, I can't look at it. It's in the box. What is that? Oh my gosh! How cute is that?
Check this out.
It's a BB-8 and Steve. That's not really Steve. It's Dio, right?
His name is Steve.
Rob calls him Steve.
I don't know why I call him Steve.
Because you didn't know his name, I don't think. It's like Dio. It's Dio?
It's Dio.
Or Do. Anyway, that's super cute.
That is
I love
pretty
it.
Cool.
Very
I love
nice.
it. Okay.
Rob loves it.
I absolutely. Thank you so much, Amanda. All right. Let's see. Oh. I'm going to save that one for a little bit later.
Well, you can't save it. It's out of the box now, so let's just look at it.
No, I'm looking. Oh, Amanda.
It's broken. It's okay. They'll fix it.
Okay.
I really like it.
This is really cool.
I'm sad because I really like it, but he had a mishap.
Well, the Cheshire does, separate and lose his arms and legs in the movie.
He had a mishap. We don't even open it.
No, I want to see. Oh, wait a minute.
No, he's broken.
Oh, he is broken.
His arm fell off. But it's really cool because it's like magnetic.
I know this. What?
I hope they have another one because I really like it. So
Oh.
he holds his head.
He holds his head.
And the other hand is supposed to be here holding his head. But his arm fell off.
All right.
I hope they have. Do you have another one?
Amanda, hook her up.
I love this. It's super cute, but he had an arm incident.
He might. If you don't have another one, Amanda, we'll just have to take him to the doctor.
It's really cute. It's a salt and pepper shaker, right?
I know it is. It's salt and pepper.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really neat.
I would totally put that on my table.
That would totally. Okay. Well.
Okay. Well, we'll find out if we can get it a new one. I hope there's more.
Okay. So if you watched our last video, you know we are collecting Pop Funkos, and
which one is it? Oh, it's Donald Duck on the Casey Jr. circus train.
Let's get this out of the box.
Okay, get it out of the box.
Because we have decided now here at Disney Connections that we are out of the box Pop Funko
and
collectors.
there's something else in here. You almost threw it away.
Uh-oh. Did I really?
While you're doing that, I'm going to show you. It's a Halloween treat autocollant.
Oh.
It's a sticker. And really, this is reminiscent of our favorite treat that we had in the park.
Oh yeah.
It's not exactly the same, but it's
a
cookie.
It's a cookie.
Super cute.
All right, back to Donald. Out of the box now.
He's cute. So now we have Mickey and Cinderella's castle, and now we have Donald on the Casey Jr. attraction.
And then there's more train pieces that go with this.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so Donald's the first piece. He's the conductor.
The conductor.
And then we have Goofy, Mickey, Pluto, Minnie, and Dumbo.
Oh.
We gotta get Dumbo.
Okay.
We gotta get the whole set now.
Now we gotta get the whole set.
Okay, cool.
You made us collectors, and so that's gonna add to our Pop Funko collection. I'm super excited about this.
Very cool.
Wow.
Yeah. All right, let's look at our sheet.
All right, so let's go ahead and look at the sheet and find out
Here, take your
all the value.
You know what? We need another wooden
Thank
spoon
you.
too.
Well,
we really did because we only had
broke
one.
a lot of them when the kids were growing up. Okay.
Here. We didn't. He's lying. Okay. This box was lovingly curated by Amanda.
Spare the rod.
Disney Cheshire Cat Salt and Pepper Shaker, $20.
Okay.
3-inch custom decal Halloween Mickey cookie. I really like that.
Mm-hmm.
$2.50. Foothills Forged Bibbidi exclusive custom Bentley. What is he eating? Foozles?
Foozles.
Custom laser engraved wooden kitchen utensil Star Wars droids, $12. And Funko Pop Donald Duck on the Casey Jr. Circus Train attraction, $24.99 for a total value of $59.49.
Awesome. And this is which box? Do we even know?
Usually it says here, but it does not say.
I think we paid $49 for it, right?
We pay.
Or is it $39?
We pay $49 and $39. We have two different boxes, so this is probably the $49.
I would think this is going to be the $49 box.
So yay! So we'll get in touch with Amanda and see if they have a new Cheshire Cat Salt and Pepper because it's super
I sure
cute.
hope so. Yeah. Well, great job, Amanda. Thank you so much. I know Amanda's going to watch this video because she's commented.
She does.
So appreciate you. If you want a subscription box, Bibbidi Bobbidi is the way to go. Amanda, Josh, Becky, the whole group over there will take care of you. Just make sure that you fill out your preferences so that they can get your box specifically curated for you. Okay. Well, hey, check out the subscribers. If we're right around 500, then a 500 giveaway is coming. If we're over 500, find the video that tells you how to win the Timothy Mouse Loungefly.
Yeah.
Because I know we're super close.
We are super close.
And we've got a lot of videos that we're making. So I honestly don't know when this one's gonna post. So just check out how many subscribers we have. And if you want the Timothy Mouse Loungefly, you want to go find that video and subscribe, and
enter to win it.
And enter to win it. Yeah.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.
Right. Check out the description for other links to our social media. We've got Facebook, we've got Instagram, we've got Twitter, and TikTok. All right. Thank you so much for all your love, all of your comments, all your subscriptions. We appreciate you. Thank you so much for being here on Disney Connections, where we're going to talk about all things Disney.
Bye.